Hello guys, in this video we solve 57th problem from 6th chapter, and a 1 kg wood block is pressed against the vertical wood wall by the 12 Newton force shown in figure. If the block is initially at rest, will it move upward, move downward, or stay at rest? Okay, this equation is applying Newton's second law of motion and the concept of static frictional force. In the first law we need to draw a force diagram. It's a y direction, this direction. In x direction we have a normal force. In y direction we have a gravitational force. And we have a push force. And this has a 30 degree. Okay, next we need to find a force for any direction. First of all, let's find to y direction. Sigma Fy equal to F push multiply to sinus 30 degree and then minus gravitational force. And the zero gravitational force is equal to mg. Okay, and let's put numbers. F push is equal to 12 Newton. And it's multiplied to sinus 30 degree, and the mass is 1 kilogram, and our gravity is 9.8 m divided by s squared. And there sinus 30 it's 1 divided by 2, and there it's 6 Newton, and there 9.8, and it's equal to minus 3.8 Newton. And since the acting force on the wood block is negative, the block will not move. And so acceleration of the block is zero. And in the static frictional, we will prevent the block from being moved until the applied in the y direction, and it's become to plus 3.8 Newton. And the static friction force, it means that static friction force it's 3.8 Newton. And okay, let's find a normal force for x direction. We know that x direction is 0. And in normal force minus F push multiply to cosinus 30, it's 0. And we there need to find normal force, and it's F push there 20 cosinus 30, and there it's equal to 10 0.9 39 and 23 Newton. Yeah. Okay. And the next we consider the value coefficient of static friction for wood as friction is 0.5. Yeah. And here next we calculate maximum static friction force required to move wood block. Yeah. It means F static max. That's right. And equal to un. Yeah. And let's put numbers to this equation. F max equal to 0.5 multiplied to 10.3923. Yeah. And it's equal to 5.2 Newton. Yeah. And there we see that it's more than 3.8, and since the static friction force is less than the maximum static friction force, the block will be at rest, and there we find that it stay in rest.